Fiverr versus Upwork, which is a better freelancing marketplace? And no, I'm not gonna say both are equally important. I'm gonna choose one, so watch till the end. There are mainly two differences between Fiverr and Upwork. On Fiverr, it is more like inbound leads. Once you set up your gig, people are coming to you looking to hire you for the services. And on Upwork, it is also same on Upwork, but mostly you will have to apply for the jobs yourself. And secondly, on Fiverr, usually unless you are a pro seller or very experienced with a lot of reviews, it's more like cheaper projects out there. You don't get the expensive projects on Fiverr. The median jobs that are available on Upwork are usually way more expensive. So if all you want is inbound leads and you don't want to send out applications, Fiverr is the place for you. But if you are willing to send out all these applications in the beginning and make those big amounts of money, Upwork is the place. Me personally, I'll choose Upwork because the number of jobs you get on there is on the lower side, thus increasing the quality and focus. And also the amount of money you make there per job on average is way higher. So Upwork it is.